Buckle up and feel the breeze. Designed with manual and remote control steering, this stylish mini sports car allows parents to take control of the wheel from distance and ensure their child's safety. It also has preset music and an aux cord for outside devices, letting kids jam to their favorite tunes. Endless adventures begin with this luxurious mini cruiser. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Flashy ride-on car. Kids' remote control sports car is designed with an integrated gear switch and LED lights to make driving feels like the real thing. Number 2. Realistic design. Built with everything needed for a fun, safe ride, including real horn and engine sounds, 2 varying speeds, high and low, and seat belts. Number 3. Connect your music. A built-in aux outlet allows kids to plug in media devices to drive while jamming to their own selection of music. Number 4. Manual and remote control. Ensure your child's safety, as this car can be driven manually by children or controlled by parents with the provided remote. Number 5. Overall dimensions. 47 inches length by 25 inches width by 14 inches height. Weight capacity, 66 pounds. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.